All right, so as you guys see in the desert, we have wild scorpions. See that tail? Look at that tail. Homeboy trying to get up out of here. Not in my house, homie. I don't want to kill him.
Oh, his tail's outside of the bottle.
Is it?
Yep.
Is he in?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, no, he's still connected to the... Isn't it?
Yeah. All right, so I believe in letting animals live. So I'm gonna let him go right here. And hopefully he liked the taste of that apple juice. And there he goes. You guys see he's still alive. See, he's still sipping on that apple juice. But he ain't gonna be in my house. Unboxing my new lights for the Hummel. Booyaka. Alright, so we sitting here editing videos on her new MacBook Pro. What is that, the Air?
Yeah, MacBook Air.
Yeah, she got the MacBook Air. We picked this up last night, and she's teaching me how to edit. Because I be getting on her nerve when, you know, she be editing my videos. But anyway, this is the new MacBook Pro, and we're editing now. All for you guys. So enjoy. Remember to hit that like button, though, and subscribe. Okay, so I could not tell y'all how many days later this is, but I have not done anything further because it's like these these lights back here are just too hard for me to do myself, so I'm gonna leave it to the professionals. I'm gonna take these panels off and everything, and I'm gonna leave it open for the professionals to do, and let them do it. What comes off next? I think this does. No, wait a minute. Do these come off first? I don't know how this goes. Yeah, that's why I said this is, I'm specifying this is not a how-to video. Because I'm about to break something up in here. So I think what I'm going to do is just leave this alone. Let the professionals go at it. And I will do these lights. I'll do the marker lights on top. Because these are easy. You just pop these out. See? You just pop those out. Pop these out. Pull them to the side. Pop it out. Pull it to the side. Pop it out. And it should be as simple as that. But let's see, because, you know, when you're doing stuff like this, it always seems to throw a curveball. So this is where I got these LED lights off of eBay. They were about 120 something dollars, $121. Oh no, I'm sorry. That was for these lights. Sorry, wrong one. Okay, so here's the real one. This is what I was looking for. Also, these are labeled red for the back. And these are labeled yellow for the front. Or amber, whatever color. But we have a little discrepancy because these are two different pieces. I don't know where this is supposed to go to, because then you have this old light. When you look at them, There's no wire coming out of there. I don't know. I gotta leave it to the professionals, like I said. All right, so as you can see, I reassembled it. I put everything back together. And like I said, I'm gonna call my ex-partner, my ex-business partner, and see if I can bring it over there, because these don't make no sense to me. This just doesn't make any sense. So, like I said, I'm gonna take it over to his shop and see if they can put it together. Yeah! So I'm saying, all right, the transporter, this all happened so fast, but the transporter is outside of my gate. I'm going to meet him now. I'm gonna just ship my truck to LA and ship it to the original crew that helped me build this. So nobody here wants to touch my truck. I took it to Cadillac, they don't want to touch it. I took it to Finley Customs, they don't want to touch it anymore. So I'm going to send it to the guys that I've been trusting since day one. And I'm gonna just ship the truck to LA, they're gonna knock it out and send it right back to me. So that's where we at with this. All right, I see him. He couldn't fit in the community, so I'm driving out to go meet him. All right, we all loaded up. I shot all the way back here for this because I didn't have all the lights. All right, so we all packed up, ready to go. This is my man Mauricio. He's gonna take my truck to LA and he's gonna take it back. Mauricio, if anybody from LA or Vegas wants to hire you, how can they get in touch with you?
Or they can just call me at the phone number 818-660-8076, and I'll be happy to help them.
And what's the name of your company?
My company is Rain or Shine Transportation.
Rain or Shine Transportation. You guys hear that? I'm gonna put a link in the description. LA to Vegas, Vegas to LA. Give my man Mauricio a call, hit him up. He gonna take care of you. He's bonded, licensed, and insured, okay? That's the only way I will allow my truck to travel.
There we go.
Mauricio, hit him up. Always on the phone.
Where's Da Vinci?
Yeah, they just wanna see me in the grave. Come out the law in the rave. Oh no, I can't wait. You can read what you sow.